Ma'am, Apsara Begum also can't able to enter in group,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma. Now just I'm giving admit, admit. I'm giving the admit, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Ask Sashi to join, ma. There you are, Savi. Happy morning. 1 second, girls. I'll finish off the prayer and I'll join, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma, Sashi admit, admit idalama.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, da. Yes, Sashi, you can share your screen and you can start up, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Girls, switch on your video, everyone.
Ma'am, am I visible?
Yes, da, it's visible, da. 1 second, da. Ma'am is joining. Tina ma'am is also joining.
Ma'am, can we start, ma'am?
Yes, da, you can start, ma.
Good morning, everyone present here. My name is Kritika and I am here with my teamsmen. Now our friend Sasishri will share her experience of the first day.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sasishri. I'm going to share my insight of the day one of the bridge course with you girls. On the day one, we were addressed by our respected principal ma'am. She interacted with us in a great way and wished us for our future. Then we were introduced to the college theme of this year, which is Arogyam Mahabhagyam, which means health is wealth. Then we were introduced to our faculties. On the afternoon session was carried by Dr. B. Meena. She took us through the history and journey of the college and our department, Home Science, Bachelor of Science, Interior Design and Decor. Our our BSc started in the year 2003 and the PG was started in 2013. Our college is the only college which provides masters in interior design and decor. Then she gave us a virtual tour of the labs and the classrooms of the college. Followed by me, I call Dimple to share her experience of the day 2.
Good morning. My name is Dimple. Today day 2 I will say. Our source motivation talk by the Dr. Masley Ma'am, assistant professional in the VIT college. Awake, arise and stop. Not till the goals is reached. Swami Vivekanandan. Explain conclusion stage to the sub conclusion stage. Always remember, nobody is superiors, nobody is inferiors. Alive motivation talk by the Karthika, lecturer of JBS College for Women, Alarm Stock. He is our old student of our ID of our college. She taught us how interior designer will be. She told it used to be very interior and very knowledgeable to us. She created her visiting card in second year of her college life itself. She said hers we must be creative. She told a about Alan Stan for 7 times valuable national player, motivational speaker, and also Indian motivators. Thank you. I will share the day to Uma Parekh.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Uma Parik. Lang and composition by speech, ma'am. Role of English, important of English. Who composition play a vital role in students. Thank you, ma'am. Day 4.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Dimple. I will share to day 4 orientation class. Orientation by the Kavitha ma'am. She taught us about subject and timetable. Timetable taught us how to see and website of our college and how to check syllabus in college website. www.skpc education is academic department course shift 1 interior designer at decoration syllabus. Third year students as Rebecca. She is joyful person. She is shared her experience with us and we really enjoyed her experience. She thought her house interior designer will be, how it will be useful to us. House ID makes her creativity. Then she asked about each and every one of goals. We really enjoyed her. Really helpful for to us. Thank you.
Kriti,
Who is the next person, ma? Pratika?
Kritika,
Pratika, are you there? Pratika?
Kriti, are you there?
Just now she joined again.
No, ma'am. She was the one who did the intro.
Okay. So who has to do it? Again, she has to do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. She left again. She has joined. Wait, we'll see. Some network issue might be. Kritika, are you there, ma? Who has to conclude? She has to conclude, ma, or
No,
any
ma'am. No,
other
ma'am.
can conclude it, but completed, ma.
Can I speak on behalf of her?
Yes, yes, ma. You can.
On the day 5, we were had a meeting with the second year student Anushya. She was she also taught us about subjects. She was a warm and welcoming person. She shared her experience about the college, the course, and she told us a lot about the subjects. She actually even she explained every subjects for the semesters and what we'll be studying in there. She gave us an outline of that subjects, and she we loved her motivational speech. She asked us about what we know about the interior design, and let actually she let us know about the careers which we can pursue and magazines of interior design. If we want to go abroad, which country will be the best, or which country will be helpful, and about the labs and the PG courses, etc. It was a good day, and she was so good. Now I call the day 6. On the day 6, the day 6 was quite knowledgeable day. Miss Aisha ma'am taught us how to operate Gmail for study purpose and how to use it professionally, and how to back up files using cloud storage and Drive. Nirmal ma'am taught us the basics of MS Word and PowerPoint, how to use it, and how we can align the words, or how we can create an entire neat document. Now I call Dimple. Now I call Raghavi to say about the seventh day.
On the seventh day, a competition was held for as it was conducted by Nirmala ma'am and Amra ma'am. It was carried in very well manner, and the judgment was also considered very really enjoyed the competition. On the whole, we had a smooth experience throughout the bridge course. Uh, that was the seventh day, and the conclusion is we are so grateful to our class teacher for giving us the opportunity to express our experience of this bridge course. And I would like to thank our team for doing for the presentation in such a manner. And also, I thank our classmates for listening patiently. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, girls.
Thank you, ma'am.
First group has completed. Wait. Okay.
Good morning, all girls. Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So happy to see you all and your performance. So this is really a happy note when we are hearing what has been done for the past 1 week in this orientation. Whatever you have grasped, you have shared here. So like this only, we would like to expect from teacher side for the next coming 3 years. If you are giving feedback like this, whatever you have understood, this will motivate us to take further classes in an effective way. So always all should think, teachers surely they will think that efficiently we should perform next time. So what is your expectation so that we will be knowing whatever, how far you can understand the concept and subject knowledge, further we can put lot of effort accordingly. For that purpose only we are getting this feedback. So happy, clearly you have mentioned whatever you have understood. So keep going, keep giving this feedback for regular classes also in subject wise. Next academic year going to start from tomorrow onwards. So kindly give your feedbacks like this for the next class. Only 2 3 minutes it will take, not in PowerPoint and all. Just like that, a word by mouth you can tell this subject in this topic. I have understood clearly about this topic, ma'am. some topic I can't able to understand. So again, you please explain like that. If you are telling, we will be happy to tell again this point. Always we are here to motivate you all girls. All the best for your future. Thank you all girls.
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank ma'am.
Okay, the group number 2 now. Lot number 2. Who is lot number 2? Dhanvantini group, huh? Yes, Dhanvantini, Harita Shri, you can start up, ma. You can share. Who is going to share?
Ma'am, Dhanvantini is going to share.
Okay, ma. Sashistri, after the class, stay back.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Dhanvantini. I first of all want to thank our principal and every faculties for this session. Our group is here to present the recapture of orientation meeting. Outline of our presentation. Inauguration session, history and journey of college and home science department, faculty speech, outsource motivational speech, alumni motivational speech, language and communicational English and phonetics, orientation by final year student, orientation by second year student, conclusion. From here, Harita will carry over the presentation.
Good morning.
Harita?
Good morning, ma'am. So here, கேக்குதா?
Yes.
Yes, ma, it's audible, da.
Okay. Good morning, ma'am. So today, first day of our college's inauguration section. So all freshers were welcomed by the principal, all department of HODs and presidents of college. A pleasant welcome and short speech by our principal, ma'am, Dr. Mohammed Sultan. Welcoming address by our college president. Intro by all our departments and HODs. Vote of thanks by our college secretary. And on to the next page. So, and the next day we got a history and journey of our college of home science and department. So our college was established at 1999, and our college affiliate University of Madras. So BSc Home Science and Interior Design and Deco was incepted in 2003, and PG courses in department was introduced in 2013. A number of top 10 University of rank holders from our college in PG and UG. PG 27 and UG is 95. From here, Srisha will carry over the presentation. Thank you.
Srusha?
Trusha, are you there, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can.
Dhanvantri, I'm outsourced, right?
Faculty speech. Okay, I will say the faculty speech. Faculty speech. Meena ma'am and Kavita ma'am gave us detail about our college and our department. They explained college workshops, competitions, lab facilities, internships, placements, and so on. Kavita ma'am was friendly with us. She explained well about our syllabus, subjects, and topics. She ever ready to clear our doubts. She makes everyone to involved in everything. We hope all faculties will be like Kavita ma'am, and also that all faculties will be a pillar to support us in our future. We need great support and infinite encouragement from all faculties. From here, Srusha will carry over the presentation.
I'm here to present outsource motivational speech. Um, Malati ma'am was our outsource of our college. She gave very inspirational motivational speech. She was very amazing speaker and motivational candidate. She said two stories of chick and eagle birds. She compared both the stories, and she asked our students which one you are going to be like. First, she said about the chick, and second, she said about the eagle. Eagle was a bird which lies in the highest tree in highest tree. Because it will eat only flesh and non-veg. So it will be very smelly and dirty. So we don't want to like to pass away the nest. Um, um, all birds will have that. Our chick was to be very wants to fly like mother. Our all children's, it not be a bird or a human. All childrens want to like to be a mother, and our motivational or our motivational to be our mom, like our mom is always role model to us. All girls like to be our mom. We are all have to be our mom. um, then she asked to he asked all our students to which will be your very would you like to have be a chick or eagle? Our students all are told about that we have to be eagle, not the chick. She advised to collect more information apart from the course, as to be become versatile. She also recommended for a few students. Think more, work smart is a slogan. Is what understood in her speech. Thank you.
From here, Sophia will carry over the presentation.
You said about to tell about English ma'am only, right?
Two actually alumni motivational speech under this. Okay, Liv, I will say. Alumni motivational speech. Mrs. Kartika T from JBAS College came for us to give us motivational speech. Mrs. Kartika T gave such an interesting motivational speech. She made great achievements. She encouraged us to have a goal in our life. She told few strategies to achieve. She made us to understand more about our college. She had the great Arunima Sinha as her role model. She also told her story, and we learned something from that. Her story was really amazing, and it will be a role model for us also. We hope so. From here, Sophia will carry over the presentation.
First of all, I want to thank Chitra ma'am who introduced us about the communicative English skills. And first she spoke what we should need to what we should have to increase our communicative skill. First we should have the major learning skill, speaking skill, writing skill, and reading skill. Periods. She also spoke about the periods of English literature: Old English period, Middle English period, Renewal English period, Neoclassical period, Romantic period, Victorian period, Edwardian period, George period, modern period, and postmodern period. Basic of she also spoke about the basic of grammar, about the vowels and other alphabets, and she also spoke about the great play, the great poet and drama maker. Uh, Role play maker William Shakespeare. He was the great literature of English. Thank you, ma'am.
From here, Aisha will carry over the session. Aisha?
Miss Rebecca, sister orientation by final year student. Miss Rebecca's sister told her about her experience in our college. She is a joyful person. She taught us how the interior design will be, how it will be useful to us. Advice, she is the goal. Remember the purpose why we had that goal. Know your interest in interior designer and decor. Learn with the interest and creative skills. Do not let entrance to forget a goal. Do not have a friend as tutor hindrance. Have a friend who always encourage you whatever in doing creative designs. We be friendly with all and everyone. We love one of quote Mulia and Amal will she's interact not as a senior as a friend. Ask about each and every one of the goals. We really enjoyed our Rebecca sisters by final year student.
Aisha?
Orientation by second year student Miss Anusha started orientation with the posting and finished with the satisfaction. She asked the motivational speech and knowledge we gain in this session. Second and third year ma'am, main subject, first interior designer carry of the basic things in interior design. Courses of pursued after UG course and PG courses in our college. Different materials used in walls and floors. We have different shapes of kitchen designers, types of slabs and doors, etc. Study of abroad. UK and Spain after UG, what we can pursue. MSc Interior Designer and Decor, Fine Arts, Visual Art. Construction process of a building, scope with the interior designer and course decor. She said about her college, do not she said not to judge a college by its appearance. We really enjoyed her experience by second year student orientation, Miss Anush.
Our team members are Dhanvantini, Harita Street, Srusha Nandini, Sophia Tabassum, Aisha Siddika. Thank you for your chance.
Lagos, completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you've done well, good, very good presentation. Shall we move on to the fourth lot?
Yes, ma'am.
Vandana, please share the screen.
Next girl. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರೋಜ್ ಅಂತ ನಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಕುಡಿದೆ ನಾನೇ ಸರೋಜ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಕುಡಿಯುತ್ತೀರ ಅವಲ್ದು sorry well lot number 4
It's okay, ma'am.
what happened to lot number 4 Vandana Varsha Urmila Hina Sakshi
Ma'am,
Vandana
Vandana is going to share a screen.
okay ma
Ma'am, can we start?
yes ja
Hello, ma'am. Good morning. And good morning, all my dear friends. I welcome you all in our short PPT. In these 7 days, we have learned a lot of things which we are going to explain briefly. I hope that you may enjoy this. So let's start our next. Our first topic is Introduction of Sri Kanika Parmeshwari Arts and Science College for Women. The Management Committee of the SKPT and Characteries founded Sri Kanika Parmeshwari Arts and Science College for Women. The institution believes in motivating the student. The institution has completed 21 years successfully of experience in the field of education. In 22nd years of SKPC, 7,541 number students has passed successfully and 461 students have secured university 10 top 10 ranks. The institution offers 12 PG, 3 PG, 1 MPhil and 1 PhD part-time and full-time program. The institution is also accredited by NASEC and is also credited. Next, I request our group to please share it.
Introduction of BSc Home Science, Interior Designing and Decor. BSc Home Science, Interior Designing and Decor is a department where we can bring out our imagination into reality, where we increase our all phases of our life into field design. The department helps the student to stand on the front of the competitive world with full confidence. In SKPC, there are 18 departments in total, among which our department includes UG in BSc Home Science, Interior Designing and Decor in 2003 and PG in BSc Home Science, Interior Designing and Decor in 2013. Our college has provided us 4 labs for our department: drafting lab, uh, AutoCAD lab, interior designing lab, textile lab. Thank you.
Hello, I am Sakshi. Today I will speak about principle of interior designer. Harmony and unity. What is meant by harmony and unity designer? When we design on the wall, there should be complete and look so good, and there should be interconnected. Rhythm. Regular repetition of the alternate in elements to create a conversation of internet. Balance. Particular balance should be a keep in the form. There are two types of balance: systematic balance and unsystematic balance. For example, as we drawn line where we apply the buttons, how much how much balance is has a sing form. As many balance we will inform as be in the unbalanced form. The apply the same apply wood can be through in our design. Contra. Contra. The arrangement of opposite elements, light versus dark rough with smooth, small versus large, or etc. In a composition as a to create visual interest. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Popular and widely used software in interior designer like SketchUp Pro, Easy Home, Home Styler, Live Home 3D Pro, LVY, My Demo Studio, etc. These are the some of software that we can use. This make our work easy. This software give us clear decisions of our work. It's easy to understand. Thank you.
Good morning, my dear my friends. Things needs to be take care of with designing. Keep your layout simple and clean. Use effective typography for entrance reliability. Use culture-free design reflecting your brand. Use customers center color and theme. Reduce the site's loading times with the proper design. You do research and make up your budget. Determine the purpose of a space. Give importance for a free space. Deciding your color scheme. Concerns lighting. Thank you.
Design, digital and general organization. Google Classroom. Our day-to-day life is become full of digital. Now, nowadays, because of COVID-19, student studies all are also become digital. Students used to study all class through Google Meet, Zoom app, Sky app, Google Class, etc. The main thing we use in a digital life is Gmail. We use Gmail account to use our apps in a proper way. By Gmail account, we can operate our social media too.
Language communication. Language is a primary means of communication. It is through language communication, spoken or written, that we are able to share our ideas, opinions, views, and emotions with another person. Various languages are used by people listening in different areas or belonging to different communities. For example, English our international communication in all areas such as political, science, media or art, and it is often the language of entertainment as well as socializing. Having a good comment. English help us to have more opportunities in life. First of all, our career.
Motivation in life. If you motivation in life, motivation you can achieve anything. There is a no goal post to aim for, a no purpose to stay towards. If you want to achieve a greatness, you need to stop asking for permission. This is why motivation is important in life because you stop asking questions and aligns to work towards your goal. Goals are the stepping stones towards your dreams. So, in order to achieve them, you need to motivation to keep you changing along towards them. No, not everyone is born with the motivation. There is several lack of some who believe I get to that one day, or the timing is not right, or a classical case of I cannot do that. Motivation is a defining factors that turns a good thoughts into immediately actions. It turns on a good ideas into a business and the positively impact to the world around you. Motivation is an important life skill. There's reasons it's important because every person on the earth is acquiring has to be purpose. To strengthen your purpose, well, you have to be motivated to work towards your goals, which help us to dream become a reality. Just for your sake, but the sake for others as well. You could not be holding the designer handbags or wearing the clothes if your design was not a motivator turns them mutualizing into realizing in your life is a world where the motivation has solved problems and the produce product and services you never know you needed. Motivations can also help us personally to be the best you can be. This can have a positive effect on your confidence, relationships, and the community you live in. If you want to still not convinced about building a pure motivations, here are the 8 reasons why the motivation is important in life. Motivations empower others. Motivation clarify your goals. Motivation sets purity in your life. Motivation push through the state back. Motivation teach your preservations. Motivation fights against fear. Motivation build up a self-confidence. Motivations attract your tribe. So this is the importance of the motivation in our life. Thank you.
Role model. A role model is a someone who look up to he or she as someone who encourage to impress, use for betterment. As we talk about a team of role model, everyone of you have someone our mind. The person who has who impact on the life. A role model can be simple be one anyone from our family, our friends, or our famous uh, pers- personality. That the the quality of the role model that motivate used to because better version of our silver. It can be a value of belief and practice or purchase.
This
Your girls
presentation has
completed?
done by this presentation has done by M. Urmila, N. Hina, P. Varsha, C. Vandana, and B. Sakshi.
Okay. Okay, good one, good one. Okay, who
Thank
is the
you.
next one? The final one, the
You,
final
ma'am.
presentation. Lot number one.
It's my Rihanna.
Yes, sir.
Can we start, ma'am?
Yeah, you can start, ma.
Okay, ma'am. Sharing. Share. Start sharing. Start now. Ma'am, I can't able to share my screen, ma'am.
Um, you can share your presentation to some of your friend, ma. Any one of your friends. Ask them to share it. Now it's seen, ma.
It is visible, ma'am.
It's visible, but at the PPT. Show me the PPT. Where is the PPT?
Yes, ma'am. That's what
Yes,
I
yes,
doing.
yes, yes. It's now seen.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
From starting, it is welcome, na, ma'am.
Yada, yada. It's in welcome.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Shehna, start your speech.
A very good morning to everyone present here. I am Shainaz Azmi from Home Science Department. We feel very honored to welcome you all here. Today we are to present speech about our Sri Kanika Parameshwari College. Our institution, Sri Kanika Parameshwari Arts and Science College for Women, was started on 1999. The main objective of our institution is to promote women education. It has completed 21 successful years of experience in the field of education. The institution motivating the students through 3 Ps as perseverance, performance and progress. The curriculum is formulated and framed by the University of Madras to enhance and enrich students' knowledge in different disciplines. The institution is accredited by NAAC and is also ISO certified. It has been confirmed as linguistic Telugu minority institution by Government of Tamil Nadu. We are overwhelmed to be part of this beautiful institution. Handing over to Asima, she will take you forward. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Asima Parveen. Here I am going to share my presentation about second day orientation. Inspiration by Malati ma'am. What is the secret of success? Right decisions. How do you make right decisions? It's experience. How do you gain experience? Wrong decisions. Eagle decide to rise. Symbols of strength. If you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. Start where you are. It is a frog story by Malati ma'am. It is an inspiring story for me. This story teaches me to work hard to achieve your goal. Be the change you want to inspire. Motivational talk by Kartika ma'am. Always think I will do this. Nothing is impossible. With clear mind and fashionable student, with always achieve success. Be fashionable, be creative mind. Handing over to Rihanna. She will take you forward.
Hello everyone, as you all know, I am Jerihana Hatun going to talk about my 1 week experience of online class, language and communication. In English, I came to know this with Shiba ma'am. First, basic skills of English. As we all know, there are 4 basic skills of English: listening, learning, speaking and writing. Listening is the ability to decode the meaning of an audio string. Speaking is the meaning and is the ability to encode thoughts and concepts into oral form. Reading is the ability to decode the meaning of writing string. Return is the ability to Written is the ability to thoughts and concepts into written form. Information Information technology has been influenced our lives in the recent years. In the field of education, communication plays a vital role in today's life. It connects people and sharing and string information with each other, and it to improve the speaking skill. The way to develop fluency in English speaking is the listening and practicing. No one can ignore the listening is the foundation of speaking. Speech on general topic. Learn new words to improve vocabulary skills. Thank you. Now Anamika will continue the next topic with new information.
Hello everyone, me Anamika. I'm gonna share my experience in this PPT presentation. Orientation by final year student by Rebecca Senior. She taught us about what is interior design and what are the career related to interior designer are there. She also gave some few tips about how to design a building, house furniture and space plan and
अच्छा
what
मैं
can
edit
you
करी थी वो
be
play करेंगे को तो होता नहीं है.
in future by taking a interior design for
Other girls,
example.
mute your audio, da. Other girls.
Furniture designer, exhibition designer, lighting designer, kitchen designer, as well as architect and stylist. We also enjoys her class and speech as we learn too. And day 5th orientation by second year student Anusha Senior. She also share her first year experience with us, that how she learned about interior designing and what and all she done in first year. She gave some few information for future guidance, and also she taught about space planning and graphic work and architect work, and also how the digital work are done in hotels, places and tourist places. Thank you. Now Afsara will continue.
Hello everyone, I'm Afsara Begum. Now I'm going to tell about what I understand on one week online class by Aisha ma'am. I come to know that how to create a Gmail, how to create an ID in a Google Meet from meetings and to attending, and she let me know how to edit in a system, how to create a presenting in a laptop, and how to start, how to create in create any file. Many people don't know how to start, so she teaches that how to start, how to use the computer, how to use the system. She help us to get knowledge about the system, and she teaches to how to use our ID means don't give to everyone like untrustable person, and all just give it a important place, not to everyone. And she told us don't use any nickname, write any usable names like unforgettable name which we have always remember. We should know what is our ID and how we have to use that, how we have to cooperate with that. And she teaches so many things, and she teaches how to present a PPT, how to edit, how to create a file in a laptop. And we come to know about so many things about interior design and decor, how to give a graphic designs, drawings, building, and so many things. We talk and we think about our teachers. And about a competition, we have a yesterday competition. We have learned a lot about that. We have a mehendi competition, clay, photograph, drawing, and we have enjoyed that competition during the class times, and we have experienced lot. Thank you, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's over, ma'am.
Yeah, superb, da. All girls have done wonderfully. I will not say this girl has done well, this girl has done well, because this is your first presentation. Am I right? So the first presentation in this
Yes,
college
ma'am.
that you have done well. All the girls, all the four groups. Especially, I want to say the topics you've chosen, the way you have listened, that you have presented it very well. Okay, girls. And Abhirami and Anchal, don't feel don't feel very emotional down. It is easy to join this group after a week. Okay, you want to share something for the past 2 days you have joined, you can share something now without the presentation itself.
I felt like I'm Abhirami. I felt like from the day I went to the college, like for admission, all the faculties were so friendly. Like they were so supportive. They helped us, and I feel it's great to move on with you teachers. And yesterday's competition was very healthy and it was a good experience. Thank you.
Good. Very good. Anchal, you want to say something, ma?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I am coming to college. Very happily colleging. Very nice teachers and happily teachers. Mehendi competition. Very nice. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, the girls have got your prize details. Am I right? The competition was held yesterday. Sashi, are you there, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Sashi, you have to finish your competitions today. Which topic you have taken?
Drawing, ma'am.
Yes, you can do the drawing now. Okay. And all other girls, the PowerPoint presentation was very well presented. Extraordinary presentation. Now I have chosen, seen some of the girls, the way of doing the computer skills. Okay. So I've noted it down. So we will be giving an opportunity in the future also. You girls can explain it very well. Side by side, when you're explaining it daily, it will become a practice and you can able to easily present in front of everyone. This is what is happening in a customer review. When you're going for an interior designer job, you have to convince the customer. For that, you need a communication skill. It starts from today. The start should end up in a good manner when you go out of the college. Okay, that's what I'm expecting from you girls. And we don't have a competition over this. This is only a feedback like thing. Okay, and finally, I'll be sending a feedback form in the WhatsApp group. You girls have to fill it up and you have to submit it. Okay. Okay, ma. From tomorrow onwards, your regular classes start. From tomorrow onwards, your regular classes start. Okay, I'll share the timetable to you in the WhatsApp group. The staff members who is in charge of the subject in charges, who is in charge of that, will be sending the link. Join the link 5 minutes earlier. And don't be late after 10 minutes. ஒரு மினிமம் ஆஃப் 5 மினிட்ஸ் தான் லேட் கொடுப்பாங்க, அலோ பண்ணுவாங்க. பட் தினமும் அதுக்காக 5 மினிட் லேட்டா போனீங்கன்னாலும் இட் வில் நாட் பி அக்செப்டட். அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் போயிடுச்சுன்னா ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். சரியா? So see to that you join the last 5 minutes prior to the session. Okay, girls?
Okay, ma'am.
And I ask for 18 years. Any girls have completed 18 years? Any girls have completed 18 years? That is the vaccination camp.
Yes.
So have you got vaccinated, ma?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I got vaccinated, ma'am.
You got vaccinated. Okay, then well and good. Then you can share your dosage certificate to me, ma. You can share your dosage certificate through WhatsApp to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So how many girls have vaccinated? We should give the information to the higher authority. According to that only, the colleges will be reopening for you offline. According to that. Okay. Till that, we will let you know. We will be having your online classes. Tomorrow's hour, it will be, tomorrow is Wednesday, you will be having your language hour, English hour, and one major hour. 3 hours you will be having. 10 to 11, 11 to 12, and 12 to 1. Already the instruction has been given. Yes. I've shared the timetable also for you girls. Okay. So shall we end up with this one now? You can take a free.
Ma'am, class representative.
Yes, ma'am.
Class representative.
Class representative. Yes. A maximum vote. Who got the maximum vote on the day?
Rihanna.
Okay. Everyone is okay with it?
Yes, ma'am.
All the girls. I'm asking all the girls.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, what about the assistant representative?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Vandana.
Shana said Vandana. Yes, Udmila.
Ma'am, I also want to be.
You also want to
Vandana.
be. I want. Okay,
Assistant,
Udmila and Vandana, you are asking for a tie-up. Okay, who are voting Vandana and who are voting Udmila? Any other girls apart from
Ma'am,
this?
Rihanna, I want to vote Vandana.
I asked her first.
Dhanvantari, you also. You want to participate here?
Me also,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, Dhanvantari, Urmila, and then Vandana is here. Any other girls, ma?
Ma'am,
Willing to
ma'am,
participate as
me also.
Sophia. Okay.
Sophia.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Abhiram.
4 girls are there, ma. You can vote your representative, assistant representative.
Ma'am,
Rehana
Abhiram
is
we have.
representative. That only you are no, ma. You girls have voted for representative for Rehana. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. I want Urmila, Vandana, Sophia, and Dhanvantari for assistant representative. I want how many votes it's going to be there. Just inform now. Just post it in the chat box. How many of you want to say it? So accordingly,
Okay,
I'll
ma'am.
count and I will do it. Kindly post it in the chat box. Each one of you. There are 23 girls. Kritika, you said also, Nama. You also asked for it. Kritika, ketangla.
I asked ma'am Abhiram.
Okay, Abhirami also. Okay, Abhirami also is participating in the competition. Assistant representative selection. Okay. Okay. Apart from those 5 girls, other girls has to put your votes. 17 girls are there. 17 girls are there.
Ma'am, for class head girl, I
Girls, have
voted
you posted your votes?
Dhanvantini, ma'am. Not everyone are agreed with Rihanna.
Okay, ma.
Half of them.
Okay, okay. Then okay, we will have that also. No problem. Okay, ma. No problem. Now itself we will have that also. No problem. On the spot we will have.
Okay, ma'am.
All 17 have posted the message. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 10 are there. Okay. Okay, 11, 12. Next. Next. What about Sashistri? Sashistri, are you there? Apsara, are you there? Okay, Apsara has posted. Who else didn't post it? Dimple Kumari, have you posted? Dimple
Yes,
Kumari?
ma'am.
Uma Parekh, what happened to you? Uma Parekh, who you are voting? Whom you are voting?
Miss Urmila.
Post it. Anchal, whom you are posting? Okay, ma. Anchal. Where is Anchal?
Sophia.
Put it in the chat box. I have to count, Lama. For counting purpose, I need. Apart from that 15, 17 girls, there is 5 girls who were standing for it. Apart from those, you have to post the vote. Some girls are not there in the group. What happened? They left the group. Sashistri, you said that you don't know anybody. But right now, you would have seen the presentations and everything for the past 1 week. You would have known them very well. Based on that, you can give ma. If you are willing also, I'll make you as check it off. Sashistri, is it okay? Okay. Dhanvantini 1, 2, 3, 3 Dhanvantini, and Vandana we had 4 Dhanvantini, Vandana 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at present. Urmila 1. Five Dhanvantini, am I right? Even Vandana got Vandana got also 5 Lama equal. Am I right?
Vandana 6, ma'am.
Vandana 6. Okay. Now shall we have one more for representative Rehana? Is it okay? Shall we have a vote?
Yes, ma'am.
Dhanvantini, Shashi said Dhanvantini. Okay. Rehana and Dhanvantini is there competing for assistant representative. Am I right? Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else, ma?
Ma'am, me, ma'am.
Okay, Sophia. Anybody else? For representative again? Anybody else, ma? Okay, Kritika, you have joined late. Now in between you got a network issue. You informed me. Any girls wants to join as the representative? What happened, Urmila? You want to say something?
Ma'am, can I do join?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Abhirami, you want also? You want also to join? Yes. Abhirami, Rehana, since the girls have joined newly, and some of the girls are also, we have to give an opportunity to them also, Rehana. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So, Rehana, Dhanvantini, Sophia, Abhirami. 4 girls are there for, again, representative post. How many of you are going to answer? We'll check it. For representative post, this one.
Okay, ma'am.
So, apart from these girls, the other girls answer. Girls, post your votes. Post your votes for representative. Girls, post your votes. Abhirami, Dhanvantini is there. Rehana is there. I want all the girls to post your votes. Then only it will be easy for us. Anchal, you can post your votes. Harita Shri, have you posted for representative?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. I have
What about
posted.
others? Kritika, Asima, Apsara, have you posted, ma? Aisha, Siddhika, Dimple, Harita
Yes,
Shri,
ma'am. Posted.
Ina, Raghavi, Sakshi, Shenaz, okay. Susha, have you posted? Varsha, okay. Okay. Girls, kindly post for representative. Okay. Ma, you girls can see. Is it okay, ma? What about the other girls? You are not posting it. If you post only, we will have, ma. The other girls, what about the other girls? இதுல என்ன இருக்கு? ஜஸ்ட் ரெப்ரசன்டேட்டிவ் அசிஸ்டன்ட் ரெப்ரசன்டேட்டிவ் போஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்க. யாரும் யாரை பத்தி தப்பா எடுத்துக்க போறதே கிடையாது. இப்பதான் நீங்க பழகவே ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கீங்க. This is the first semester. Once you join with others only you may know. பட் இப்போ இப்போ நிக்கிறவங்க கிட்ட உங்களுக்கு போடுங்க. That's all. இந்த 1 week பேசிஸ்ல நான் போட சொல்றேன். Okay, from this I can see more of Rehana, and in the other one I can see Dhanvantari. Am I right? 6 Dhanvantari and 5 Vandana. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all the girls can say me, ma'am. Sashistri, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say who has got the top?
You're asking for my vote or on the whole, ma'am?
Yes, you have given vote for representative or assistant representative, Dhanvantari.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
You have given
I've
for a
given
representative.
for assistant representative, ma'am.
Okay, okay, da. Then okay. Ma, then Dhanvantari got 6 votes. Am I right?
For assistant representative, ma'am, or for a representative?
For assistant representative, Dhanvantari
Yes,
got
ma'am.
7 votes. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And
7
representative got Rehana got the most vote. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So with your information, I'm making Rehana as the representative and Dhanvantari as the assistant representative. Okay, girls? Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, girls. We will see tomorrow. Except Sashistri, other girls can leave the class because she has to complete her competition. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, girls. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
See you tomorrow in the
Thank you,
classes.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
All girls can leave except Sashistri.
Okay.
Anchal, you can leave, ma. Uma, leave. Uma, leave. Uma Parekh. Sashistri, are you there, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
You can switch on your video, da. What happened, ma? Yesterday I was calling you for a long time. What happened to your mobile?
Ma'am, I didn't attend the class yesterday, ma'am. I'm
Ma, but
feeling
actually there
fever.
is a competition ladder.
ஆமாம் மேம் ரொம்ப ஃபீவராக இருந்துச்சு மேம் இன்றைக்கும் என்னால் முடியல நேற்று